वी कुड नॉट बिलीव कि चाय ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो यार जब आदमी दुकान पे आता है तो वो बोलता है मेरे को ये देखना है, मेरे को सूंघना है, यू नो, एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. आई वांट टू ट्राई बिफोर आई बाय, राइट? So how would we sell tea online? And from there, today we serve over 10,000 orders a year, and we've already delivered to over 55 countries using only online channels. We don't have any offline presence. We don't have any associates. Customers comes to us, you know, directly, and we serve them. So I think the journey has been fantastic. Thanks to COVID, the growth has actually accelerated. So that is the good thing that has happened for us because another instance that, you know, when we started selling online, people used to say, "अच्छा आप online तो बेचते हैं, आप और क्या करते हैं?" I said, "Okay, ठीक है." So you know, people could not figure कि online can be a big business. Now when you see Amazon and Flipkart and, you know, companies like that, you realize कि यार they are bringing IPOs and, you know, they become such big businesses. And even for our business, I mean, our retail or my dad's retail company is probably nothing in compared to what I am doing, thanks to, you know, the kind of innovations we put in the brand. We have about more than 200 varieties of tea. I'm sure you would never have heard of. And we are a completely 100% patriotic Indian brand, so we don't sell any Chinese stuff, any Korean. We're not selling anything like that. We'll give you authentic Indian blends, which I'm sure you'll be amazed to, you know, enjoy and drink. I'll share you about the COVID story. So I think COVID, we realized that there was no manpower, there was nothing, and learning was that we can do much more than what we actually think we can. You know, we always dependent on other people. अच्छा ठीक है, teammate कर लेगा, you know, my employees will do it. But when you don't have any employees, you're the only employee. So you have to do everything on your own. And I think God has been kind, and you know, we backed one of the largest order of East India in terms of tea gifting this year. So which made up for whatever slow growth we had last year. And about, I think, brands from Kolkata, there are a lot of good brands. I just heard so many of them, and I realized कि यार Calcutta में क्या है ना, सब शांत वे में अच्छा काम करते हैं. We don't make that huge noise. We don't buy a Mercedes even if we can afford to do it. We still like to ride a Honda City. You know, it's like that. So I think Calcutta has always been like that, and I am really thankful to Calcutta because Calcutta has been a strategic location for our business. Tea के लिए क्या है, Calcutta, all owners are here, all the tea state owners are here. Siliguri, Darjeeling is nearby. So it's a very good location for us, and I don't think we have any plans of shifting anywhere. We do have channel partners across India who are actually working for us and, you know, selling our products. So that's our brand story. I would love to, you know, help anybody. I think so. Last year, I you know, spoke to 50 people who wanted to shift their business from offline to online, and at least 20 have been successful in doing the, you know, the transition, and they are very happy the way now the online thing is working. So if anybody needs any kind of help into, you know, shifting your business online, I would be really happy to help you guys. You know, that's my story. Thank you so much.
By now you all know what it takes to be a champion. He spoke like a real champion, and all of you who spoke here today are champions in their own rights. So moving on to, I mean, Manish, right? Manish has also made it clear that geography is history now, and geography is history because of technology. So let's now move on to hear another technology story from Anuj Agarwal. Anuj. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anuj. Really happy to see so many faces. It's good to be out of my home and actually meet people after COVID. Right, so what do? I am into solar EPC. Solar EPC क्या होता है, क्यों होता है, बहुत सारे questions हैं. We'll answer that in the networking section. But just a brief is basically we help factories, warehouses and other industries set up solar plants on their roof so that they can reduce their electricity expenses, and WBSEDCL जिस तरह से rate बढ़ा रहा है, it is better to not stay under their control. So we help them save electricity and at the same time save this planet because the time to take action is right now. In a few days we'll be attending the COP26 where we'll be checking what the countries have done since the last time we met, and are we actually going to meet our targets of 1.5% 1.5% temperature increase globally or not. Coming on to brands, so I probably would be the newest brand here in this room. Our company, our company was established in 2019, but our solar division started just a couple of months back, around 5 months back. And so what I can lay out right now is my vision as to how I want to bring out or label Calcutta as a place through which brands can actually come out. While it has already happened in the past, and we did count so many names when we started off the session, I believe I want to be one of those big names which people can really think of when it comes to their minds, and they think of brands which comes from Eastern India. And I believe we are on path to do that, because Eastern India for a field like solar has completely been untapped as of now. Not just Calcutta, but in fact entire Eastern region is quite untapped. And therefore I do not see myself moving out or looking at any other locations, but in fact staying here for as long as possible, because this is the market to be and this is the place to be. We bring and we look at ourselves as facilitating brands. We do not think that we would be at the fingertips of everyone who's here, but we want to be at the fingertips of each business who's here, and therefore we see ourselves more in the lines of Tata Steel and not Tata Namak. So we want to make a brand as recognizable as Tata Steel, which has not just affected millions and millions of businesses, but is now also ingrained in the lives of a lot of people. And not ourselves as a consumer brand like Tata Salt or Tata Namak, which is Desh Ka Namak. But and therefore I want to bring out a new business brand out of Eastern India, and that is what we are looking to do in the field of solar. Any questions and any doubts that you have regarding solar? I know a lot of people have a lot of misconceptions as well. I'll be happy to clear them for as long as you want, and I'll probably be happy to take them offline. Thank you.
Speaker Neha Jaipuria from Olive Design. She is into interior design.
Thank you everybody for having me here. Is this okay? Thank you everybody. Thank you Sunil ji and thank you Richard ji for having me here. For what I do is just towards interior design, make beautiful homes. Everybody would know what an interior designer does and just makes home. But yes, pandemic has made people realize how important it is to have good homes. So what I realized till now out of my career, where people would spend on jewelry, cars, nice clothes, but I think pandemic made them realize why nice homes are really very important. And getting a good space planning is lifesaver. So good for pandemic, what happened was when people were confined in their four walls and houses, is when they realized the value of what we do. So earlier it was a luxury when people felt that interior design बहुत रुपया है तो खर्चा कर दो, नहीं तो हमारा घर का carpenter ही ठीक है. But I think this myth was completely broken, and it helped us during pandemic, because post pandemic where we thought that probably interiors, because we were made to believe over years that is a luxury thing and this comes like a second priority for people. So we thought that probably after COVID, we'll be laid back and we'll have to relax, we'll not have much to do, because of course people first have to take care of the necessities. But it was completely the opposite. People realized what they were stuck in, and we were bombarded with phone calls where people want to change their homes, get into bigger homes, have some outdoor spaces, have their space planning done much better. And of course when they want to work from home space, and whenever they're stuck in home, they should feel good, they should not feel stuck what it was actually. So that's how. Now coming to brands, there are a lot of interior designers, and how does a brand make things? I think everybody does good work, nobody is here doing nonsense. But out of what my experience of 17 years by now, I realize good service is what makes a good brand. And it's only that good service is made as good relationships, and good relationships have made us a good word of mouth, making it a brand. So now when we meet people and people say, oh, we've heard of you, or we've seen your work, or we know what you do, is when we know that okay, somewhere something is going right. That's how it is. For Calcutta, yes, Calcutta has been a maiden ground where we started working. We started working in Assam, Asansol, Guwahati, and all the neighboring places, and we see there's a lot of scope of work there, because now people have started opening up there as well to understand, and they have a lot of space, unlike in Calcutta. they have space, but yes, now they want well-designed, nice, lavish homes. And yes, of course, India, wherever there's work, we're ready to travel. But Calcutta, yes, I'm so grounded to Calcutta. Can't even think of moving out of this place for sure. Well, for us interior designing, it was not only for creative. Much after when I enrolled into college and I started doing, I thought it was more creative, nice homes. And then the reality struck that by the time the house is nice and pretty, it's time for us to leave. So we've been having to work in gruesome atmospheres, but it's more technical actually. I think that summarizes it.
Thank you. So the last two speakers made us realize in more ways than one that why sunshine on our shoulder makes us or makes me happy. And now here is Nehaji, who made us realize that home is where our heart is. So we need to, make our exterior, the rooftop and the interior, both beautiful. And being happy, I don't know what would Pooja ji say, but being happy should also form the core of functional medicine, I think.
It's true, actually, I missed what you said, I think, Pooja ji, but truly, when you're mentally stable and happy and you're in an environment like that, then it really shows into what you work and your own productivity, it really reflects so much more.
And even your aura shows.
Totally.
The other people around you also happy.
Totally.
So that's infectious, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you so much
for having me.
So yeah, I think I would like to invite Deepak Chaudhary. Deepak Chaudhary is here. He's a presenter, and in fact, let me tell you about Deepak. He was in the recent edition of Forbes India. In the recent edition of Forbes India, he's been featured there. That's a huge achievement for him. And Deepak writes wonderful articles also. His articles are published in all top-line publications, So, and of course, he's a presenter also. So, I would want Deepak to say something few about what you have achieved and where do you want to see yourself. And Deepak is also on an expansion mode. So, now he has ambitions, and do you want to be in Kolkata? You also want to probably move on and probably headquarter yourself somewhere else.
No, I want to be in Kolkata only because I am born and brought up here only. And बोलते ना बचपन की यादें बहुत सही होती है. So I've been born and brought up at Kolkata with the sweets, with the environment. So Kolkata will always be my first choice. Will always be my first choice. And about the brand, I always thank Sunil Bhaiya, who made me realize what is brand. Previously, being an insurance, people always used to say, agent aaya, LIC agent aaya. This is very practical. But from last 3 years, I am seeing, sir, I am not an agent. I am your advisor, your insurance advisor. The time when you will realize, aag lag gaya, insurance hai, tha, renewal nahi. When the survey will come to your house, sir, these are the 3 points, you are not fulfilling it. Sorry, we can't pay you the claims. So there we advise that these are the things you should realize. These are the subject you should know, being a customer, being an Indian citizenship. There are some laws which are very good for you, you should understand. But actually, in India, बेचने सब आते हैं, समझाने कोई नहीं आता. So this is the change which I am trying to come. And by 2024-25, I am trying to be in another 30 states all over India. And by 2030, I have a vision to bring out my own IPO, just like Policy Bazaar. I have a vision to have a composite insurance company, and if the blessings comes, I will launch an insurance company.
Wow.
So this is the vision, this is the brand, and I really thanks Sunil Bhaiya for making me realize what is brand, what is the value of brand. And I really says there is a value of brand. Once now I speak, I am from Insurance for Life, people realize me. Ritika, really, people realize me, yes, I heard this name Insurance for Life. where I don't know, how I don't know, but this says. So then I realized, no, this is a brand, and we have to create this brand in everyone's mind. Until this brand comes, people, because one day definitely I have to die. One day definitely everyone has to die. But brand never dies. Maybe my third, fourth, fifth, sixth generations will continue these brands. Like same we says Rasgulla. The Rasgulla was born by Balram Malik. But still we are having the same Rasgulla. Naveen Chandra Das. Absolutely. So this is a brand. Like every time we think about Rasgulla, they always come to our minds. This is a brand. So this brand we have to think. This brand we have to think. And really, I just tell about my story. I just finished up my studies in 1997. Then, since my father was in insurance, so chalo kuch becho, and we start selling something, interacting. But my wish that I was an MA in journalism. I did my internship in Times of India. So the father says, क्या लाएगा तुम? I don't know. घर चलेगा नहीं चलेगा? I don't know. बेटर है तुम बेच, पैसा मिलेगा. ठीक है. That time I didn't understand कि पैसा मिलेगा. ठीक है. What is the value of money? But later on I realized definitely पैसा चाहिए. We need money to run our family, to run our. So I started selling. There was, but it was not my passion that time. But by 2001, when there was a change in industry about mutual funds, about insurance, and I started interacting with people, I understand, no, there are changes coming in insurance. Till that time, only 2.3% people were insured in India, out of 150 crores or 100 crores, whatever population that time is. So then I realized, no, there is a huge scope of it, and it is an unmatured market, and people are only selling it, they're not educating it. So I came into this, and from that, I started my journey till here, and with all your blessings, I wish my dream comes true. Thank you.
When we talk about waste management, the first thing which comes to the mind is kabadi wala, kachra, and that's what comes to our mind. But waste management is much more than that. It is not only about removing the waste from our houses. It's more about thinking about how do we sustain the environment. See, we owe it to the future generation. And the way we are consuming things right now, it's a matter of time when the resources will be depleted. I mean, just now we have been talking so much about EV. The government is going gaga about electric vehicles, but the matter of fact, lithium ka resources has been depleted all over the world. Right now, the only company who is creating the raw material of cobalt, which is the primary raw material for lithium-ion battery, is a recycler based in China. Just imagine where we are heading towards. And even then, we are least bothered about the waste which we create. I mean, jahan jo karna hai kare, we are not at all sustainable. I mean, that's what I go and tell people. We have to be sustainable. We are using a mobile phone. साल भर हुआ नहीं नया मॉडल आया यार क्या यूज करने let's change it. Fine, we change it. But we don't realize where this mobile is going. Whether it is being disposed of or recycled through the right channel, or it is being rampantly sold off to some kawadiwala who may just try to extract some sort of precious metal out of it by destroying our environment. See, as far as I am concerned in my story, I'm an animator by education, but due to something I had to change my profession. So when I was in New Zealand in the year 2009, I did a short course at a company called Southern Refinery. They were into recycling of used oil and waste oil. And there, when I went there, the first presentation which they gave me was that they told me take this half liter of water, used oil, and pour it into the water. I did that. And then the contamination level which I saw, it was mind-boggling. Then I realized कि हम लोग के यहाँ क्या होता है? We send the cars to normal garages, वो तेल निकालते हैं and they dumping in the open. And that's how I came into the stream of waste management. And from waste management, I shifted to e-waste management some 3.5-4 years back. Again, e-waste is a very glamorous waste. I mean, we all talk about it, but we don't do anything about it. I mean, as far as the corporates are concerned, no hard feelings, but what we have realized over the last 4 years, all the corporates want to just get their certificates, and that's it. They are least bothered about where the waste is going. I mean, we are trying to fight it out, but then again, there are so many recyclers, and everybody wants just, I mean, you go to Airtel, they are dismantling an office, they have got N numbers of e-waste, every material will go through as general waste. I mean, even company like Tatas are doing the same thing. So where do we go ahead from here? That's the only question which I keep on asking to all the corporates. I mean, you are doing so much into CSR funding and everything, but when it comes to environment, no one wants to do anything about it. So this is what we are trying to change. And why Calcutta? Because I think Calcutta has got the most potential when it comes to waste management. And like, we are called the Bhadro Road, and we had been the brains of our country for such a long time. So that is why Calcutta, we are doing a lot of things. We are quite hopeful that in the next 2 to 3 years, we will be becoming we will try to change the game. And right now, over the past 6 months, what we have realized is that people are really becoming aware of their e-waste. We are getting a lot of calls from houses. They want to dispose of maybe a small AC or a CPU. We don't mind taking anything. What we are just trying to do is create that awareness in the minds of the people. Right? We are there, we will take anything, and the most important thing is that at the end of the day, what we need to realize is, if we have to save the world for our kids, we have to take a sustainable approach. That's all about it.
Thank you very much. আমার একটা বাংলা কথা মনে পড়ে গেল, I hope all of you understand Bengali. যেখানে দেখিবে ছাই উড়াইয়া দেখো তাই, পাইলে পাইতে পারো অমূল্য রতন. Wherever you get to see ashes, just dig into it and let it fly off. Maybe you will get that pulse. We have just got pulse of wisdom from this young man. So I am sure this would sum up the spirit of Kolkata, even if we accept the staunchest critics of Calcutta who say that Calcutta is a dead city. So after death, all we get is ashes. So if we try that out, maybe we'll get that pulse and gems. Thank you so much.